So now let's talk about AWS PrivateLink, also from the VPC Endpoint Services family. So how does that work? Well, say you have a service that you run within AWS, or say there is a vendor on the marketplace and they run a service on their own account within their own VPC. And they want to expose that service to customers of AWS. So to thousands of VPC, they need to have private access to that service to establish a connectivity. You could, for example, use VPC peering, but that doesn't scale and it's not very secure. What you want is use something else, and that something else is a private link. So a private link allows you to connect a service running within your VPC to other VPCs directly and privately. So it does not require VPC peering or internet gateway because it's on the private network, or NAT or route tables or anything like this. So let's go through a diagram. Say, for example, you are talking to a vendor on the AWS marketplace and they run application service. So they have their own service that you want to use in their own VPC, and you want to have access to it from your own VPC in your own account with your own consumer applications. In that case, you're going to ask your vendor to do a private link. On their end, they will have to create a network load balancer to expose that service. And on your end, you will create an elastic network interface. And then you will establish a private link between the two so that you have private access to their network load balancer and therefore to their service. And all the internet traffic is actually not going to go through the public internet, but it's actually going to go through your private network. And so therefore all communications will remain private. And so for every new customer that third party will need, all they will have to do is to create a new private link for their customers, which is very easy to manage and way more scalable. So that's it. I hope you like this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture.